Hi guys. So I wanted to do like this little mini haul with cleaning supplies because I've been really into cleaning videos and organizing videos lately. It's like my thing. It's like something that makes me feel relaxed and calm to watch and also to do. So I ordered some stuff from Grow Collaborative, and they had like this deal where if you buy so many items, you get some items for free. If I can find a receipt in this box, I'll tell you how it actually works. But anyway, I just want to kind of go through some of the things that I got. I'm not sponsored. I'm not in a partnership with them. Even though you can, go ahead, Grow Collaborative, hit me up because I'm with it. So yeah, let's just go through some of the things that I ordered or that I got. So this is called Bubble Up. And this is basically I've been wanting one of these for the longest, watching all these videos. So this is like a dish that you put near the sink, and you put like your dish soap in here, and there's a little scrubber brush, and you use this to wash your dishes, and this is just so freaking cute. And yeah, I've been wanting this for a while, so I was really excited to get this. I'm really excited to get this, and the packaging is actually pretty cool, especially for it to be cleaning supplies. So yeah, that's the first thing I got that I'm really excited about. And then I got all of these are the items that I got for free. I got all of the pumpkin spice stuff because, you know, Halloween and October is right around the corner. I love Halloween, but I love the fall. It's more about the fall than it is about Halloween. So I be wanting to decorate for Halloween and stuff. I hold it in though. But I like the fall, and I love the fall scents, and I just love everything about fall. So I got the pumpkin spice everything. So this is the pumpkin spice multi-surface cleaner. I also got the pumpkin spice dish soap. Let me get the words out. I also got a pumpkin spice hand soap. And this is a room refresher, but this isn't pumpkin spice. This is geranium scent. I want to see how this smells, so I'm going to go ahead and put this pumpkin spice stuff down and go ahead and spray it right now. Ooh, I love the way that smells. Like this smells like a light floral scent. Now there's flowers on it. It's a nice natural floral scent. I like the way that smells, and I also like the mister on this bottle. I also got some deodorant. I don't know, I think this was free. So it's some natural deodorant. It's Sweet Orange Bergamot by Smarty Pits, and this is a natural deodorant. And I'm going to go ahead and do like a little video where I'm trying out some natural deodorants because I want to switch over because I'm not really too happy about using the aluminum and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over, even though I'm going to go through some growing pains with that. I already know because I'm a sweat box. But yeah, so that's nice to have. I also got this wrinkle releaser spray. I don't really use this kind of stuff when I'm ironing, but why not, you know? It says shake the bottle, spray on wrinkle areas of your clothes, and then use your hands to pull the fabric. So it's not about ironing. So like I'm supposed to do it on like this shirt. This shirt is kind of wrinkled. I can like spray it and then pull it. I don't know why the camera just cut off, but I'm gonna see how this works, and I'll let you guys know if it works. What else did I get? I got some toilet bowl cleaner. You always need this stuff. I also got some tissues. These are like you know, like little face tissues or whatever. Little box of tissues that I'm gonna put on my counter here in the bathroom. Sit right here for now. Never mind back there. I got some laundry detergent packs, and yeah, I'm really excited to try these and see how these work because I've never used laundry detergent packs before, so we'll see how these work and how they smell. Also got some sponges, walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. And the last thing I got here is So yeah, it's a glass tray, and you just kind of sit this next to your sink so that you can put all your cleaning supplies there. And I'm gonna put my little pumpkin spice stuff on this little tray next to my sink. And I'm excited. So it smells really good in this room because of that room spray. And here, what is in this spot? What is in this? So I got this little thing here. So we're so happy you're here. Peek inside. And it's just kind of like information about Grove. So yeah, that was it. I don't do hauls, so I don't know what to do here except for show y'all stuff. And yeah. Peace. Maybe I'll show you what it looks like on the countertop.